we are going to do question number 6 from exercise 2.4. The question says there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Now, I hope you all understand the meaning of dimensions. By dimensions, they mean you have to calculate the length and the breadth. We know that there is a relation already given between the length and the breadth, that is 11:4, and we know how to proceed by the questions of ratio. We take the common multiple to be x and the length and breadth to be accordingly. They will turn out to be what? 11x and 4x respectively. So let's write that down first, and then we'll see how to form the equation of the question. So we write, when we have the ratio thing, we write the common multiple that we have to find. The x that we'll be calculating be x. Let the common multiple be x. Okay. Then we say that therefore this implies the length of plot will be 11x, because it says the ratio between the length and the breadth of the plot. So the length of the plot is 11x and 11x meters, because everything is said in meters, so it is also in meters, and the breadth of plot will be 4x meters. Now, how to form the equation? That is very important, because we have just this much. Now, to form the equation, you have to read the second part of the question, which says, at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. Now, I hope you know where does fencing take place. The fencing takes place on the boundary. So, with using this rate of fencing and the cost that has come out to be for fencing, we can find out what is the perimeter of the village, what is the perimeter of the plot. And how do we do that? I'll just remind you, whenever we have to find cost of certain things, what do we do is we multiply the rate with the quantity. We have to multiply the rate with the quantity always. To find the cost, we multiply the rate with the quantity. Now, this quantity can be anything. This can be the area, this can be the number of pens, this can be the perimeter, this can be volume, it can be anything. It depends. But the scenario remains to be same. Now, we have the cost of fencing, we have the rate of fencing. So, we can find out in how much length is the fencing done. That is the perimeter. So, the perimeter of plot will be how much? It will be the cost divided by the rate of fencing, because here this quantity is actually the perimeter. So cost divided by the rate. What is the cost? Rupees 75,000. And what is the rate? Rupees 100 per meter. Now, so there are at times wherein people write the wrong unit. It happens, okay, but we should not write the wrong unit. If both the things are in rupees 75,000 divided by rupees 100 per meter. So this per meter, this denominator in the meters goes into the numerator, and hence what do you get is 750 meters. People, when we cancel the numbers, the only numbers don't get cancelled, even the units related with them get cancelled and shifted. So we have to be very mindful. Perimeter cannot come out in rupees, it will come out in meters, because the rate was given like that. The rate was given rupees 100 per meter, so it will turn out to be 750 meters. Now, according to question, this is the perimeter. And what is the formula for perimeter? The formula for perimeter is, perimeter we have found out to be 750 meters. What is the formula for perimeter? 2 into L plus B is equal to 750. We know L, we know B. What is L? 11x. And what is B? 4x. So it is 11x and 4x. So it is 750. Now when you multiply them, you can take this 2 to the other side. 11x plus 4x will be how much? 15x is equal to 750 divided by 2. You can even bring this 15 to this side. X is equal to 750 by 2 by 15. When you cancel it, 15 5s is 75. So when you cancel them, and you can even cancel by taking 0 also, 2 also. So 50 by 2. So the value of x turns out to be how much? 25. 15 5s is 75. So the value of x turns out to be 25. Now this is just the length that you have got. It is just the common multiple that you have got. You have to find out what? You have to find out the length and the breadth. So therefore, the length of plot is 11x meters. So it is 11 into 25. So it is 275 meters, and the breadth is 4x, which is 4 into 25, which is actually 100 meters. Now we can also just verify this question by using our calculations a bit smartly. Let's see. We know the perimeter should come out to be 750. So let's check orally whether the perimeter is coming out to be 750 or not. What is the formula? 2 times L plus P. So we have L as 275. We have breadth as 100. When we add them, we get 375, and twice of it is 350. So it has turned out to be twice of 375 is 750. Now you can even see, if the rate was rupees 100, 750 multiplied by 100 gives you what? 75,000. Even the ratio, if you try and check and find the ratio of 275 and 100, the ratio will come out to be 11 by 4.